In this guide, I'll show you how to make a Minecraft server for free on mobile. So the first thing you want to do is open up the web browser on your phone, and in search you want to type in Aternos, and from here you want to select Aternos Minecraft servers free forever. Then what you want to do is select the play button in the bottom right corner, or it may be in the top right corner, and now you want to sign up and create an account or sign in at the bottom. Once you sign in, you'll be brought to this page and you want to select create a server. Then under create a server, you want to select Bedrock Edition since we're playing on mobile, and you can change the name if you'd like for your server. And once you're happy with it, you just want to select create at the bottom. Now, once you're on this page, if you have a look in the top left corner, you'll see three lines. So tap on that, and you'll see options on the left sidebar, so go ahead and select it. Now, if you scroll down on this page, you'll see server properties, which you can change, such as the game mode, difficulty, and more. So feel free to adjust these here before you run your server. But to get back to where we were before, select the three lines in the top left corner, and then you want to select server. So once you're ready, you want to press on the green start button, which is going to start your server after you watch a short advertisement. Then you want to press on yes, I accept the EULA. Now, while your server is preparing, what I recommend you do is scroll down on this page, and if you want to share the URL for your server, you can to your friends, and you want to write down the server address and port because you'll need that to join your server in-game. Now that your server's online, if you have a look on the left, you'll see there's a timer, so you have to have at least one person in the server or else it'll close. So now that we've done that, you want to head back to your Minecraft game. Then what you want to do is select play at the top, and from here, you want to select servers in the top right corner. Then on the left side, you want to scroll down on this page until you see add server at the bottom. Then you just want to input your server name and server address as well as your port, and you just want to press play. And then you'll be in your own private server. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.